Make out. To understand or see something clearly. Example: I couldn't make out the sign in the fog. Break down. To stop working or become very upset. Example 1. Machine: my car broke down on the way to work. Example 2. Emotion: she broke down when she heard the bad news. Get together. To meet or gather socially. Example: let's get together for lunch next weekend. Ask for. To request something. Example: he asked for directions to the park. Freak out. To become very excited or scared. Example: I freaked out when I saw a spider. Bring up. To mention something. Example: he brought up an interesting point during the meeting. Set off. To start a journey or trigger something. Example 1. Journey: we set off early to catch the sunrise. Example 2. Trigger: the smoke set off the fire alarm. Turn out. To result in a certain way. Example: it turned out to be a great day despite the rain. Pick out. To choose something. Example: she picked out a beautiful dress for the party. Settle down. To calm down or establish a stable life. Example 1. Calm: the kids finally settled down after dinner. Example 2. Life: they settled down in a small town after marriage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.